Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing soccer outside. This is where I play soccer. So let's have a shot in that goal. I missed. Alright, let's go. Let's get the ball. Let's go. Go, 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 go. I got the ball. I have the ball. And I'm going to shoot in that goal. Score! Goal! Amazing goal. Alright, let's shoot. Nice! I'm gonna go left foot. Go! Go! Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Go! Run, 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 run. I got the ball. And go! It's kind of raining, guys. And also, make sure to like and sub. Oh, went over the fence. Wait, we'll get a different ball. Go, 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 go. I got a different ball. Alright, the ball's right here. Almost got it over again. Go, 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 go. The ball's in a lemon bush. Got the ball. What a shot! But missed. I'm going to have 2 more shots, then I'm going to end the video. Okay. But I'm going to do it in this goal. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go! Go away! You're going to get in the video. Okay. Alright. Go! One more. Left foot. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video. I hope you enjoyed this. See you next time.